guys, good morning.
Good morning.
From here in Lake Como and
Lozano
right now because we had to get a COVID test. No worries, we are feeling okay. It's in order to enter back into the United States, we did need to provide a negative COVID test. So here we are. We had to go to the local pharmacy, get our results, and we are good to go. We are negative. So now we're gonna head back to Bellagio and explore around a little bit more, maybe see some of the villas today, go to visit some different other villages in the area. Take a ferry, a boat ride, relax, because now we can return home when the time comes. So
and one of us was very concerned about that.
So let's go home and have a great rest of our day. Here in the center of Bellagio, and I just parted ways with Joe. He is going to one of the villas to explore around the garden, and I am going to explore here in Bellagio a little bit more. Go shopping, maybe get a little bite to eat, a little snack. But I'm excited to just sort of stroll the town and show you guys all the great sights, all the great eats. Everything that you can find here in Lake Como, in Bellagio specifically. So let's go ahead and get started, guys.
So I just took this ferry here from Bellagio to Cardenavia, and now I'm walking to Villa Carlotta. So I'll show you around, get some scenery. Come along, let's go. Just got into the botanical gardens, and now we're gonna walk around a little bit and explore the grounds. Come along with me. So I'm here in Villa Carlotta, and I'm doing the course, and then look at this thing. What is this? It's like someone just folded up a paperclip. That was their inspiration. I have an idea. I'm going to take a paper clip and twist it around and make it big. Probably should be nice to the artist though, in case someone can hear me. It looks very beautiful. Bellissimo.
Hi guys, so update here in Bellagio. I am here having some solo shopping time, some retail therapy, and I just had a wonderful experience at a store called Wedding and Gift, and they styled me, they gave me a little makeover, and I am feeling so wonderful. I feel so classy. This is so much fun. I wish I could have brought you guys along, but I couldn't take pictures in the store. But the people were wonderful. Please, by all means, check them out. Now I'm just going to continue to shop around, and then soon enough, I'll be meeting Joe for lunch. So let's keep going, let's keep exploring, and I love my new little outfit. This is so cute and so much fun. I came at a perfect time. That's just rolling up. Look who that is. That's Joe right there. Ha! get off the boat so we can go have some lunch. Look at the cars going off. That's cool. That's actually how we'll be getting off Bellagio tomorrow and heading back to the airport. So here we are on the waterfront of Bellagio. Just finished lunch. Joe, do you want to tell us about the villa that you visited today?
Oh yeah, so I went to Villa Carlotta. So I took a ferry across the lake to Bellagio. And
Grazie. Guys, it's our last day here in Italy. I had an amazing time.
me too. I'm sad to see it go.
I know.